Welcome, today in front of me Samsung Galaxy Tab S7 FE, and I'll show you how to adjust ringtone volume on this device. So first you should go into the settings application and then tap on the sound section. Here you will see the volume section, just tap there, and here we got the volume panels. Just to change the volume of our ringtone, you should swipe with your finger or with the pen this blue dot to the left or to the right side, and also we can do it by the second way, but first be sure that here you get disable this switcher, because if you will enable the switcher by press your down and up volume buttons, by using your volume buttons, you will just change the sound of your medias. So now I'll go back, I'll show you. As can you see, we just got it turned on, and now we'll change the volume of our media, and when we'll just turn off this option, then we can change our ringtone volume by press our up or down volume button. And also we sure we can make it with our pen or with our finger, just swipe up or down this volume button, panel. So that's how it looks. Thank you guys for watching, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.